Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so nothing interrupts play. Put the headset on, power it up, and verify firmware and app updates. This prevents mid-session errors. Once done, pair controllers and calibrate the room boundary so tracking is accurate. Make sure the play area is clear and lights are moderate for inside tracking. You'll then open the VR Play app and select the Only Way mode to begin the guided sequence that follows. You now enter the Only Way mode and follow the stage tutorial prompts. Pay attention to controller gestures shown on screen, execute grips and button presses when indicated so gestures register reliably. Once comfortable, choose your locomotion preference, teleport for less motion, smooth for fluid movement, and set comfort to a low level if you're new to VR. Make sure to complete the calibration mini-tasks to align virtual hands with real ones. This avoids misclicks later in gameplay. You finish by completing the final objectives, returning to the hub, and saving your progress or exiting the session properly to preserve settings. If you notice tracking drift or jitter, stop, open settings, and recalibrate the Guardian and controller alignment. This resets reference points. Should a controller disconnect, remove and reseat the batteries or charge, then repair in Bluetooth settings. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.